Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, ẹ ká sáré ṣiṣẹ́ lórí device Samsung S21 Ultra ni ó náà complain pé ó kàn ṣàdédé shut down ni and fóònù yẹn ò tí pẹ́ tí ó náà rà kò tí pé iye according to description tó wà lórí receipt ẹ̀. So ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ troubleshoot ẹ̀ ká check ẹ̀ ká mọ major problem ẹ̀. This particular device ó jẹ́ phone kan tó wà very fragile and I have talked about a lot of protection precautions tẹ́lẹ̀ take tẹ́ bá fi ṣiṣẹ́ lórí àwọn device báyìí. Tẹ́ bá wo kíní blue tí mo wọ̀ sọ́wọ́ yẹn a ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa static energy, static electricity, impact tó máa ń kó lórí repair, bó ṣe máa ń cause short circuit, àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ lè ṣe láti protect ara yín especially tẹ́ bá ń lo boot device lọ́wọ́, bóyá ẹ̀ ń lo boot ẹ̀ ó wà ní low booting mode especially, so ó lè cause short circuit. Tí ẹ bá ní àwọn tools tẹ́ fi lè protect, ó ní àwọn manual method as well lóríṣiríṣi tí a ti kọ́ àwọn èèyàn wa so that kò ní máa jẹ́ kí gbèsè tàbí wàhálà kó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà tí ẹ bá ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe lórí ẹ̀ tán. This particular one kò kàn show ni, so unplug ẹ̀, kò gbóná kò warm up kò ṣe anything. Generally the first suspect is usually the screen, but due to pé bí Samsung screen ṣe wà fragile, àwọn owner ò kì í fẹ́ suspect the screen. We always believe that the problem is from board, but we ourselves we know that the problem is usually from the screen at first. So for this particular one a lè tí place the judgment without evaluation, so we just have to check to low boot the device. The battery is down, so a lè dúró kí battery ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa charge, so we just have to low boot it. During the charge process, àwọn fóònù míì wà irú bẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe kú yín sí ó lè má receive voltage rárá tí ó dẹ̀ ní charge. There are some tó máa charge sínú tí kò ní show síta, so ó ní bá ṣe lè mọ̀ tó bá ń charge sínú láì ṣe wípé a wò ó ní bá ṣe lè mọ̀ tí bọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ bá ń tàn nìkan. So àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí tí ẹ bá ti mọ̀ wọ́n ó máa jẹ́ nǹkan tó máa shape orientation in towards the repair, ó ló máa guide yín. Tẹ́ bá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ the first thing tó máa fún yín ní zeal tó máa jẹ́ kí zeal yín increase nínú repair yìí ni tẹ́ bá ti kọ́kọ́ remove back glasses successfully tí ó fọ́ tí ó dẹ̀ sí tí anything ló wà tampered, ẹ ti ṣe bóyá bí 30% nínú iṣẹ́ ẹnìyẹn, then inú yín máa dùn láti ṣe lọ. So torí ẹ̀ lẹ gbọ́dọ̀ take proper care. Method oríṣiríṣi lẹ fi lè yọ back glass, more than 15 different method, yeah, more than 15. You can use code method pín sóríṣiríṣi, hot method náà ó pín sóríṣiríṣi, but the only thing that is very important is that you must not damage it. Tó bá tiẹ̀ máa damage, it should be minimal. Tó bá fọ́ díẹ̀ kó má fọ́ sí, at least ó sì máa ṣe lò if there is no replacement. This particular S21 screen, especially S21 Ultra, back glass ó wà one of the most useless Samsung back glass ever, especially àwọn UK ẹ̀yẹn tó bá ṣẹ̀ ṣì jẹ́ àwọn brand new báyìí wọ́n ṣì máa ń strong ṣe ráwọn UK device yẹn kẹ́ tó fọwọ́ kan báyìí pẹ́ ó ti là ní straight. So káàtì ẹ̀ tó yọ eléyìí rárá a ní extra ńlẹ̀ should in case, but fortunately nǹkan kò ṣẹlẹ̀ during the process because kò sí nǹkan tó give assurance to kí èèyàn ní backup, because tẹ́ bá expose ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá lo hot method tẹ́ expose ẹ̀ sí too much of heat, ó tún prone danger to the main board simply because of the layer, sandwich layer, double layer ní board ẹ̀. So that's by the way. I proceed for that láti check one or two. I troubleshoot a low booting method. No, ó ti yé yín what low booting method is. We now verify that the phone is okay, but the main problem is actually the screen. Owner proceed. Ó ní ká bá òun get the screen ẹ̀ pé òun fẹ́ subscribe fún original screen, and which is fine. I later provide original complete screen fún because phone yẹn ṣì wà ní good condition dáadáa, every data ṣì wà active lórí ẹ̀. After tá repair tán a kọ́pọ̀ ẹ̀ padà, a ní láti dá padà fún owner. But ohun tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ ni pé screen àwọn Samsung báyìí ó máa ń wọ́n díẹ̀, kì í ṣe àwọn A series o, àwọn A series ò yàtọ̀ sí Infinix àti Tecno, but tó bá ti ń kà àwọn s20 s21 bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí s8 gan screen ò ṣe rárá. Ẹni tí ò bá ní kíìmì kò lè ra screen yẹn torí owó yẹn gan ó tó ṣe nǹkan rí, but that's by the way kọ́ ló ń ṣàánú wa. So iṣẹ́ yẹn ti parí ní bíbá a ní láti wò. So to the technicians, all what you have to do is to just take adequate and proper care whenever you are working on the device. Just make sure that you are mentally stable, physically stable, and ready to get the job done. Otherwise, tí méjì bá ready nínú mẹ́ta, ó máa ní effect. It's going to tell. And when a phone is fragile, you need to take proper care. Take care. Àwọn little things matter in this kind of device. See something like bóyá bí the power flex tó bá kàn cut due to the fact that you didn't take proper caution, ó lè delay phone yìí for days and you will not be able to source it out, or by the time tẹ́ bá máa rí source out ó máa lò bí 10-12 days, and you know how important it is. So that's why tí mo fi sọ wípé ẹ tú phone yìí gan tán ó máa ń jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ joy once you are able to remove the back glass successfully without tampering any PCB on it. So that's it. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a couple device yẹn. So in our next video we'll be talking about what are the things to do, how do you troubleshoot this kind of device tó bá wà ní dead mode, kí ni àwọn nǹkan oríṣiríṣi, àwọn trick wo lẹ lè lò, method wo lẹ lè lò. Have a good day.